StudyMojo.com.
Next is question number 4 of exercise 6.3. 6.3, question number 4. The question is, in the given figure, QR by QS is equal to QT by PR. It is given that QR by QS, given QR by QS is equal to QT by PR. And angle 1 is equal to angle 2. And angle 1 is equal to angle 2. We have to show that. To show that angle RPQ, angle PQS, triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR, triangle TQR. This is the thing which we have to prove, and the figure is given. QPT. Q, this is P and this is T. And this is R and this is S. This is angle 1 and we have to join PR also. This is angle 2. We have to show that triangle PQS is similar to TQR. For that, it is given angle 1 is equal to angle 2. In triangle PQR, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. It is given in the question. Therefore, we can write these two sides are equal. These two sides means, therefore, PQ is equal to PR. Therefore, PQ is equal to PR. Reason, sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Now we have to consider triangle PQS. Consider triangle PQS and triangle TQR. Triangle TQR. The corresponding ratio of the corresponding side QR. QR is the side of one side of triangle TQR. QR divided by QS. QR is the length of one side of the larger triangle and QS is the length of smaller triangle PQS. It is equal to the length QT. The length QT is the side of the larger triangle QT and it is given as PR. PR is given. QT divided by PR, it is given. It is given. But the length of PR is equal to PQ. PR is equal to PQ. PR is equal to PQ, which we have proved. So we can write this as, therefore the relation becomes QR by QS. QR by QS is equal to QT divided by, instead of PR, we can write it as QP or PQ. PQ, that is QR divided by QS is equal to QT divided by QP. PQ means QP. And angle TQR is equal to angle PQS. See, angle TQR is this angle, angle 1, and PQS is also the same angle. That means it is a common angle of both the two triangles, common angle. Angle TQR is same as angle PQS. Therefore, the reason is common angle. Therefore, we can write triangle PQS is similar to TQR with the help of SAS similarity criterion. Therefore, triangle PQS PQS is similar to triangle TQR. We have to clear the reason because a ratio of two corresponding sides are equal. Ratio of two corresponding sides are equal and the measure of one pair of included angles are also equal, and the measure of one pair of included angles are also equal. Therefore, the two triangles are similar. We obtain the result of triangle PQS similar to triangle TQR by SAS similarity criterion, with the help of SAS similarity criterion. So we have to write that also, SAS similarity criterion. SAS similarity criterion. Similarity criterion. We are obtaining the result with the help of SAS similarity criterion. In the question, it is given that these two angles, angle 1 and 2 are equal. From that result, we are getting PQ is equal to PR. Reason is sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Now we are considering triangle PQS and TQR. PQS is this triangle, triangle PQS and triangle TQR. In these two triangles, it is given that QR by QS. See, QR, this is the side QR by QS. QR is the length of sides of larger triangle and QS is the side of smaller triangle, corresponding side of smaller triangle. This ratio is equal to QT by PR. QT is another side of the larger triangle and it is the given ratio, it is QT by PR. But we have already proved that PR is equal to PQ. Therefore, in this ratio, we can write PQ instead of PR. That means QR by QS is equal to QT by PQ. PQ and QP are same. That is QR by QS is equal to QT by QP. QR by QS is equal to QT by QP. And the included angle is angle Q. That means angle TQR is equal to angle PQS. The reason is common angle. Therefore, we are obtaining the conclusion that ratio of two corresponding sides are equal and the measure of one pair of included angles are also equal. Therefore, by SAS similarity criterion, we can arrive in the result that triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. We are getting the result triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR by SAS similarity criterion. This is a very good question and it is very, very important. Note it as an important question and study very well this question. This type of questions may be asked for the board exam. So mark it as an important question. This is very, very, very important. Okay. Study this very well. Yes.